Hey everyone, here's a question on HCF. The question is, what is the largest whole number that divides both 72 and 108? Now this kind of question you can expect for Math Olympiad. It's an important question. So they're not directly asking you to find the HCF, but they are twisting the question. They're saying that what is the largest whole number that divides both 72 and 108? So which is a maximum or the largest number which will divide both these numbers? So that is the highest common factor. The common factor will divide 72 and 108. For example, both the numbers are divisible by 2. So both numbers are divisible by 2. So we can divide these numbers by 2, but 2 is not the largest number, right? We have to find the largest whole number. So largest means the highest common factor. We have to find the highest common factor of 72 and 108. Now there are many ways to find the HCF. You can combine these two numbers like 72 and 108. You can take the common factors, find out, or you can do it separately, find the prime factors, or you can do it. So whichever way it's easy, go for that. So here I will combine these numbers, that is I'll find the common factors together and then I'll multiply. So here I'm using a ladder method and I have here 72 and 108. Now I have to find the factor which will divide both 72 and 108. So these are divisible by 2. So it's not necessary you should take prime numbers, like this is not a prime factorization I'm doing. I'm trying to find the common factors which will divide both these numbers. These two numbers are even, so they are divisible by 2. So 2 3s are 6. We get 1 as a remainder. Write this along with 2. That makes a number 12. Then 2 6 are 12. Now this is a short way of dividing the number. If this confuses you, then you can divide 72 separately by 2 and the quotient you get you can write down in the next step. Next we have 108. Since 1 is not divisible, we'll take 10. 2 5s are 10 and then we have 8. 2 4s are 8. Now these two numbers are again divisible by 6. Yes, they are divisible by 6. So let's take 6 here. We can also take 2, but again the number of steps will be more. So I just want to avoid that. Let's take 6 here. 6 6 are 36 and 6 9s are 54. Then we have 6 and 9, both are divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Now this is important step. 2 and 3 are prime numbers. There is no common factor which will divide 2 and 3. So we'll stop here and you have to consider only these numbers which you got. Don't consider 2 and 3. This you should not consider. Consider 2, 6 and 3 and multiply them. So HCF is equals to, or HCF of 72 and 108 is equals to, now multiply those numbers. 2 times 6 times 3. So 2 6 are 12, 12 3s are 36. So HCF is 36. Therefore, 36 is the number or is a number which will divide both 72 and 108. Is a number that divides both 72 and 108. So again in this question they didn't ask you to find the HCF directly, but they twisted the question. It's not that complicated. You have to just understand the question. The largest whole number that divides 72 and 108. This means you have to find the highest common factor, that is HCF. I hope this question is clear. In case you have any question or doubt, you can drop a comment. Thank you so much for watching.